Hello, I'm Justine Murphy with Vision Systems Design's Focus on Vision. There are a lot of exciting things happening in machine vision and imaging. Let's take a look. Bot Auto has been operating autonomous commercial operations, but with safety drivers on board. Now they're moving into something new. The Texas-based startup Level 4 Autonomous Trucking Company has completed its first hub-to-hub 40-mile validation run in Houston, demonstrating that it's able to navigate daytime and nighttime operations without a human in the cab or any remote assistance. And in the coming months, the company's continuous validation will include the first humanless commercial cargo run between its Houston and San Antonio hubs. The new truck's autonomy stack features 5 LiDAR sensors positioned strategically in the top sensor bar on the driver and passenger doors and in the front of the vehicle. There also are 15 high-definition cameras placed throughout the vehicle and facing in all directions. Bot Auto's software leverages transformer-based neural networks, a type of machine learning that tracks relationships in sequential data, images for example, to learn context. The stack also includes rules-based algorithms for safety constraints and hazards like vehicles or pedestrians blocking a route. You can learn more about autonomous trucking in the link below from Vision Systems Design's partner brand Fleet Owner. Bioanalytical research labs often face challenges in automating routine tasks, including reading digital displays across a variety of instruments. But a group of researchers has developed a low-cost and flexible solution that integrates into existing workflows easily, and it's well-suited for small labs with limited resources. High-cost approaches to automation aren't feasible for most bioanalytical research laboratories, which track and analyze body tissue and fluid samples as part of the R&D process for new medications. And as these labs work on temporary contracts, buying expensive and permanent automation systems isn't financially prudent, particularly for smaller bioanalytical research labs. With this in mind, researchers from Albstadt-Sigmaringen University and Jetzt GmbH have developed an AI-enabled vision-guided robotic system to facilitate reading and recording of digital information displayed on existing pH meters, shakers, and other common instruments. The team says the new system offers a user-friendly, standardized approach that reduces the risk of errors associated with manual data entry. It involves a robotic arm that picks up a sample and places it on the correct lab instrument without colliding with other objects in the environment. The system can recognize and read the digital display on the instrument, then records the results automatically in either CSV or Excel format. ABB Group is selling its robotics division, which includes vision technology, to Japanese conglomerate SoftBank Group for just over $5.3 billion. This cancels previous plans to spin off the unit. ABB Robotics developed a camera system as well as machine vision software functionality for automation tasks. This includes OmniCore iMotion, AI-enabled machine vision software that facilitates object recognition, segmentation, and contextual understanding for robots that the company recently introduced. Representatives say the acquisition aligns with SoftBank's strategy to invest in AI-enabled robotics and adds to several other robotics companies SoftBank owns. And that's it for this edition of Focus on Vision. Be sure to like and share, subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on social media, and visit vision-systems.com for the most up-to-date, interesting, and exciting news impacting the machine vision and imaging industry.